Blanco 440194 single 9.5-inch Bowl Depth Undermount Anthracite. After researching, we have found the best Blanco granite composite sink for kitchen designs on the market to be the Blanco 440194 single 9.5-inch Bowl Depth Undermount Anthracite. This one has multiple options to choose from when you start the installation process. It can be installed as an undermount sink or as a drop-in sink. This granite composite sink is made from 80% granite in order to ensure the sturdiness of the material and assure the surface is resistant to scratches, as well as to ensure the surface can withstand high temperatures. The Blanco 440194 single 9.5-inch bowl depth undermount offers a relatively deep internal bowl that can be used for washing dishes and even while preparing food. The product also comes with a limited lifetime warranty, and an additional flat deck featured by the sink allows for easy installation of additional faucets.